Using a Visa gift card on Pandabuy is a straightforward process that requires some basic steps to complete. First, make sure you have a Pandabuy account. If not, create one by providing the required information. Once you have an account, log in and navigate to the checkout page after selecting the items you want to purchase. On the checkout page, you will see a section for payment methods. Click on the option to add a new card. Enter the Visa gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure to enter the correct information to avoid any issues with the payment process. After entering the card details, click on the Save Card option to proceed with the payment. You may be redirected to a verification page to confirm the card details. Follow the instructions to complete the verification process. If the gift card balance is sufficient to cover the purchase amount, the payment will be processed successfully. However, if the balance is insufficient, you will need to use an additional payment method to cover the remaining amount. It is essential to note that some sellers on Pandabuy may not accept Visa gift cards, so it is crucial to check with the seller before making a purchase. Additionally, make sure to keep track of the gift card balance to avoid any overdraft fees. By following these simple steps, you can use a Visa gift card on Pandabuy to purchase your desired items. Remember to always check the gift card balance and verify the seller's acceptance of gift cards before making a purchase. Using a Visa gift card on Pandabuy is a convenient way to make purchases online. And by following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure a smooth and successful transaction. Always review the terms and conditions of the gift card and the seller's policies to avoid any issues with the payment process.